Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Electrolux EHU-3815D YogaHealthline, an ultrasonic humidifier designed to create a more comfortable and balanced indoor environment. At first glance, this device immediately stands out with its modern appearance and elegant design. It looks more like a premium smart home product than a traditional humidifier, making it a stylish addition to almost any room. The primary purpose of a humidifier is to maintain comfortable humidity levels, especially during colder months or in rooms where the air tends to become dry. The YogaHealthline is designed to help improve overall indoor comfort while creating a more pleasant atmosphere for daily activities, relaxation, or sleep. One of the most attractive features is its user-friendly control system. The display makes it easy to monitor settings and adjust operation according to your preferences. Another major advantage is quiet operation. Many people place humidifiers in bedrooms, nurseries, or workspaces, and low noise levels are essential for maintaining comfort. This model is designed to operate discreetly while continuing to provide effective humidification. The water tank capacity allows for extended use, reducing the need for constant refilling. Combined with ultrasonic technology, the humidifier helps distribute a fine mist efficiently throughout the room. Overall, the Electrolux EHU-3815D YogaHealthline combines modern design, smart functionality, and everyday convenience. It's an excellent option for anyone looking to improve indoor comfort and create a healthier living environment. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your experience using humidifiers. See you in the next video.